The root word bio means life. So when I pick up this word biology, it means the study of. Logy means study of. It is a suffix. So biology is the study of living creatures. The next one is a, biological. A means no or not. So something which is not alive. And then logy, of course, is the study of. So abiological is the study of or science of inanimate things. So abiological. Probiotic. Pro means when we are on the side of somebody or something. So probiotic is that kind of a food, a therapeutic kind of a food which enhances good bacteria in our system. For example, curd. The next one is antibiotic. Antibiotic, anti means against. So something which inhibits the growth of certain microorganisms or bacteria in our body or system. So antibiotic. Aerobiology. Aero means connected to air. So and bio is life and logy is the suffix, study of. So it is the study of dispersion of airborne materials such as pollen grains or some light seeds that are dispersed in the air. They fly, they are suspended in the air. So study of such materials that are suspended in the air is known as aerobiology. The next word is amphibious. Amphi means two and bio means life. So a creature that can live in both land and water is known as an amphibious creature or an amphibian. Biography. A biography is somebody's life history or story of one's life that is written by some other author. But if we write our own life history on our own or ourselves, it is known as an autobiography because auto means self. Biopsy is when some part of the body like a tissue that has been removed because one was suffering from a disease or something is sent for a lab test to find out whether there is some infection or something like that is known as a biopsy. The next word is symbiotic. The word sim, which is also a root word, sim means similar or rather same. So symbiotic means living together or creatures who live together. Mutualistic, it can mean mutualistic as well. So symbiotic means creatures that are living together. Burse. The root word burse means money or purse. Reimburse. Re means to do again. So reimburse means to repay. Maybe I have incurred some expenses and I work in a certain office that they were official expenses. So I'm getting the money back now. That is called reimbursement. Disburse. Disburse is to give away or distribute. Distribution of money is disburse. A bursar is an accounts officer. The person who maintains accounts is a bursar. A bursary is an accounts office, a place where accounts are maintained. It also has a secondary meaning, which is scholarship. A scholarship is money given to students for pursuing their studies. The next word is bursa. Bursa is there are some sacs which are there in our muscles which are connected to the bones, and the shape of those sacs, like they are like a purse. So it's because of that shape that this word takes the root word burse. The next word is bursiform. Bursiform means like a purse or something which is shaped like a purse. Bursiform. The root word brev means short. Brief means in short. Brevity also means to express something with brief ideas which are short. Abbreviate or abbreviation means short forms. For example, if I say UNO, it is a short form. So abbreviation. Breviate means to summarize or to express something in brief or short. Breviary also means to summarize or to give a brief account of. Let's find the odd man out from all of these words. I've brought a number of words today. Abstract, breviary, compendium, circumlocution, essence, outline, epitome, abridgment. I'm going to pick up something which looks familiar. So, abstract, breviary means a summary of. An abstract is a summary. Essence is also a summary. So is abridgment, and epitome is also the best part or the essence of something. So is an outline. Circumlocution, maybe I'm not sure about these two. Circum means round or around, and locu means to speak. So to speak in a roundabout manner or speak out much more than is necessary is quite different, or rather opposite to all of these words. So all these words, abstract, breviary, compendium, and then essence, outline, epitome, and abridgment, they're all synonymous, and my answer is circumlocution, which is different from all of these words.